Hello guys! In today's tutorial, I'll show you the process of downloading and installing a Shopify app on your laptop. When we're done, you'll know exactly how to locate, add, and install any app to your Shopify store from your laptop, along with a few tips to help you pick the right one. Begin by opening your web browser and going to admin.shopify.com. This is the secure login page for your Shopify admin panel. Sign in using your store's email and password, then select Login. For security reasons, never share your login details aloud and make sure you're on Shopify's official URL before entering your credentials. Once your admin dashboard appears, look at the sidebar on the left and click Apps. This section serves as your main place to manage all extensions and integrations that enhance your store. If you want to browse options before searching, select All Recommended to view apps commonly helpful for store owners. This is useful if you're not yet sure what specific app you need. Next, choose Shopify App Store, which you will find at the bottom. This will open the official marketplace where thousands of approved apps are available. Use the search bar at the top to type in the exact name of the app you want, then hit Enter. If you don't know the exact name, type keywords related to what you're looking for, such as email marketing or SEO, and browse the recommendations that appear. From the list of results, click on the app you want to install. On the app's detail page, read through the overview, view screenshots, check pricing information, and look at customer ratings. Look for clear feature descriptions, recent updates, and whether free plans or trials are available. Reviewing these sections now helps avoid unexpected limitations later. When you're ready, click Add App. Shopify will bring you back to your admin dashboard and display a permissions page. This page outlines what data the app will access, like products, orders, or customer information, so you can decide if the app is trustworthy and appropriate. Double-check that the permissions match the app's intended purpose. Confirm at the top that you're installing the app into the correct Shopify store and that the developer looks legitimate. If everything checks out, click Install App. If installation completes, Shopify will automatically open the app inside your admin area. Most apps offer a quick setup or onboarding guide. You can follow those steps right away or return later through the apps page to configure things. From the same apps section, you can uninstall apps, update settings, or adjust permissions anytime. That's all there is to it. You've successfully searched for, added, and installed a Shopify app on your laptop. If this guide helped you, you're now ready to enhance your store using the apps that best match your business needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips on how to make the most of your Shopify site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.